Well, a developing story from overnight. Local boxer and trainer Michael Dallas has lost his fight with leukemia. Just 5 days after Dallas made an appearance at the Fight for Life fundraiser, where the Kern County Cancer Fund announced they were helping pay for some of Mike's treatments. The former wrestler and fighter passed away overnight. A family member called 23 ABC to confirm that Mike had died at Kern Medical Center. His Facebook page has lit up overnight since then. Mike, a collegiate wrestler that turned to boxing, and after a 7-year career, he turned to coaching kids in the neighborhood at the Police Activities League. That included his own son, as you see here, Mike Jr. We'll have information on funeral services when they become available.